Hello students, welcome back to the chapter sets. In the previous class we discussed about complement of a set and their properties. Now we will solve some problems based on complement of a set. That is the exercise 1.5. See here, first column is U equal to, that is U means here universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and a capital A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and C is 3, 4, 5, 6. Now find first one is A dash. See what is given. Universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Capital A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Capital B is 2, 4, 6, 8. Capital C is 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Now we have to find first one is A dash. So what is the formula for A dash is? That is U minus A. So what is the U? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus what is the A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here eliminate, that means from the U we have to delete A elements. From the U we have to delete A elements. So what are the A elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the A set elements. Now I want to eliminate these elements from here. I want to eliminate these elements from this one. So here 1 is there, 1 cancel this one. Next 2 is there. Next 3 cancel that one. Next 4 cancel. Now what are the remaining? That is remaining is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is the A dash. Next, second one is B dash. So B dash means it is U minus B. So U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is U minus what is the B is? B is 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So from this set we have to delete or eliminate this B elements. From the U set we have to delete these elements which are common for this one. The elements we have to delete. So here 2 is there. Here also 2 is there. Cancel this one. Next here 4 is there. Cancel this one 4. Next 6 is there. 6 cancel. Next 8 cancel. Which are common for these both? We have to delete from this one. So what are the remaining is here? Remaining is 1 is remaining, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the B dash elements. That is the B dash. Next third one is A union C whole dash. Now first see here. Just imagine it is whole sum D dash. Suppose I am imagining this is D. So D means here it is D dash. So A dash means it is U minus C. B dash means U minus B. D dash means U minus D. U minus D. So what is the D here? D is A union C. So what we can write? That is U minus A union C. Okay. So I am writing directly here. So A union C whole dash means U minus A union C. Clear this one? Now here, first we have to find A union C. So A is there, C also is there. First we have to find A union C. A union C. So what is the A is? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. What is the C is? 3, 4, 5, 6. Now take the union of these two. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4 already is there. Don't write again. Remaining is 5, 6. Here, when you are writing in the roster form, don't repeat the elements again and again. If 3 is repeated 2 times or 3 times or 10 times also, it is equal to 1 time only. So you have to write 1 to 1 time. Because here 1, 2, 3, 4 I wrote here. And 3, 4 again is there. Don't write again 3, 4. Don't write again 3, 4. Because we are writing in the roster form. So don't repeat the elements again and again. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the A union C. Now I want to find A union C whole dash. So what is the formula for A union C whole dash? That it is U minus A union C. So what is the U is? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. Now what you got A union C? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from this U, we have to cancel or eliminate these elements from this one. So 1 is there here also 1 is there. You can cancel this one, 1, 1. Next 2 is there, cancel 2. Next 3, cancel. Next 4 is there, cancel. Next 5 is there, cancel. Next 6 also is there, cancel. So what are the remaining elements? The remaining elements are, that is A union C whole dash equal to, what are the remaining? 1 cancel, 2 cancel, 3 cancel, 4, 5, 6 cancel. Remaining elements are 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. That is the A union C whole dash. Next one. Fourth, A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. So first we have to find A union B. Because what is the A union B whole dash means? That is U minus A union B. Whole dash means always it is U minus only. U minus, what is the set here? That one. Suppose here B is there means U minus B. C is there means U minus C. Now what is the set here? A union B is there. That's why it is U minus A union B. So first find A union B. What is the A is? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Union. B is 2, 4, 6, 8. That is B. So A union B. Mix the elements. All the elements of A as well as B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. Now what are the B elements I am writing here? 2 is there. Already I wrote 2. Already here I wrote 2. Don't write again. So 2 here. Don't write. Next 4 already wrote. Don't write. Next 6. Next 8. That is A union B. Next I want to find A union B whole dash. That is U minus A union B. So that is, what is the U is? U is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus what you got? A union B. I am writing here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. So eliminate these elements from this set. Here 1 is there. We can cancel here 1. Because both are same. Which elements are same? That one we have to eliminate here. So 1, both are same, cancel. 2 also is there, cancel. Next 3 also is there, cancel. 4 also is there, cancel. Next 6 is there, cancel 6. Next 8 is there, cancel this one. Now what are the remaining elements? Just write down here. That is, remaining elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, cancel. Remaining is 5, comma, 7, comma, 9. That is A union B whole dash. Next one. 5th is A dash whole dash. Already we got this one. A dash whole dash is, all of you know, that is A. Now we will prove this one by taking this example. That means first are finding A dash. So what is the A dash is? That is U minus A. So what is the U is? U is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus. Now what is the A? A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now cancel these elements. Eliminate these elements, these 4 elements from this set. That is 1 is there, cancel 1. Next 2 is there, cancel 2. 3, cancel. 4 also is there, cancel. Now what is the remaining is? Remaining is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the A dash. Now what about the A dash whole dash? A dash whole dash. That is U minus. Just imagine this A dash is B. Just imagine this A dash is B. Now it is B dash. B dash means U minus B. B means A dash. So A dash whole dash means U minus A dash. So that is, what is the U is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus. Now what you got? A dash. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So cancel these elements. Cancel these elements from this set. So here 5 is there, you can cancel 5. Next 6 is there, cancel 6. 7, cancel. 8, cancel. 9 also cancel. Now what is the remaining is? What is the remaining is? That is equal to, what are the remaining elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is equal to which one? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 means which set? This capital A. So this is capital A. So which one? A dash whole dash equal to capital A. See the next one is sixth one. Sixth is b minus c whole dash. Next one. So first we have to find b minus c. Later we will find b minus c whole dash. So first I am finding b minus c. Now what is the b is here? B is 2, 4, 6, 8 minus what is the c is? C is 3, 4, 5, 6. It is the c. B minus c. Now from this set, in this set we have to cancel these elements. If we have any elements of this one here, cancel that. See here. First I am taking this element 3. Once check this 3 is in this one or not. No. If this 3 is in this one, then cancel. Now 4. 4 is there. Yes, 4 is there. You can cancel it. Next 5. There is no 5 here. Don't cancel here. Next 6 is there or not? Yes, 6 is there. Cancel. Now what are the remaining? Just write out from this set only. Don't see this set. Don't touch these elements. Only which are remaining from this set you have to write. That is, remaining elements of this set is 2, 4 cancel, 6 cancel, that is 8. 2, 8. You have to write only the elements of this one only. Remaining elements we have to write. And don't write these elements. Only these elements. That is 2, 8. Now, what is the b minus c whole dash? That is u minus. What is the set here? B minus c. U minus b minus c. Now, what is the u is? U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is the u minus. What is that b minus c? B minus c is 2, 8. 2, 8. So, eliminate these elements. This 2, 8 from this set. So, here 2 is there, 2 cancel. 8 is there, cancel. Now, what are the remaining elements? Just write down. That is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. That is b minus c whole dash. Come to the next problem is second one. If u equal to a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h. These are the elements. Find the complements of the following sets. First one is capital A equal to a comma b comma c. That's it. A comma b comma c. Now here, what is the complement of A is A dash. That one we have to find. We have to find complements of the given sets. So first set is capital A. So complement of this one is A dash is u minus A. So what is the u? U is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. That's it. Minus. What is the A is A comma B comma C. A comma B comma C. So eliminate these elements. Eliminate these elements from this set. So first A is there or not, check once. Yes, A is there, cancel that one. Next B is there, cancel that one. Next C also is there, cancel. Now what are the remaining? The elements just write down. that is D, E, F, G, H. That is the remaining, that is the complement of A. Next, second one, B equal to D, E, F, G. Now what is the complement of B is B dash, that is U minus B. So what is the U? U is A comma B comma C D E F G H minus, what is the B is D E F G. Now cancel these elements from this end. That is D. D is there here. Yes, D is there. Cancel. Next E is there. Cancel. Next F is there. Cancel. Next G also cancel. Now what are the remaining elements? That is A, B, C. Now next is H. That is B dash. Next, third one is C equal to A, C, E, G. So what is the complement of C is, that is C dash. So C dash equal to U minus C. Now what is the U is? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus, what is the C is? A, C, E, G. Now cancel these elements from this set. So A is same here, cancel. Next C is there, cancel. E cancel. Next G cancel. Now what are remaining from this set is, that is B, D, F, H, which is the complement of C, that is C dash. Next, another one is there. Fourth one, D equal to F, G, H, comma E. You try this one. You solve this problem. So complement of D is D dash. Find D dash. This one you have to try. So you solve this problem. Come to the next problem is third one. Third one. Taking the set of natural numbers as universal set. So now what is the U is? The set of all natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. All natural numbers. These are natural numbers. It is clear. Now, write down the complements of the following sets. So, first column is, I am taking capital A, this one, X, such that X is an even natural number. X is an even natural number. Now, for this one, we have to find complement. See here, capital A. For this one, what is the complement of A is? That is A dash. A dash is U minus A. So, that is, what is the U is? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Minus, X is an even natural numbers. In the natural numbers, what are the even numbers? That is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So cancel 2. This element is from this side. Here 2 is there, 2 cancel. 4 cancel. Next 6 cancel. Next 8 cancel. Now what are the remaining? That is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. These 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7 are odd numbers. So what to understand from this one? From the natural numbers, if you delete even numbers, what are the remaining is odd numbers. So x such that x is an odd natural number which is equal to a dash. You can write this one directly also, but I showed here. So from the natural numbers, if you eliminate even numbers, then remaining are odd numbers. Suppose from the natural numbers, if you eliminate or delete odd numbers, remaining is even numbers. So see the next one. X, I am saying this B, X such that X is an odd natural number X is an odd natural number. Now what is the B dash is? That is U minus B. So that is what is the U is? Even natural numbers. U is natural numbers. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Minus what are the odd natural numbers? That is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Eliminate these elements from this set. 1 is there, cancel. 3 is there, cancel. Next 5 is there, cancel. Like that. So what are the remaining is in here? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. These 2, 4, 6, 8 are even natural numbers. So X such that X is an even natural number. That's which is equal to B dash. That means what you understand here, from the natural numbers, if you delete even numbers, remaining is odd numbers. Suppose from the natural numbers, if you delete or eliminate odd numbers, remaining is even natural numbers. Next, third is, so that means what you understand here, one more thing. Here, X such that, now this one can write as X is not even natural number. I am writing here is X is not even natural number. Is it correct? Yes. Not even means remaining is odd. Not even means what is that one is odd. Understand that one? Here also. X is an even natural number. So can I say this is X is not odd numbers. Not odd. Not odd means even. Like that. So remember this point here. We will apply this property, or in this way we will use the for the next one. See the next one is third. I am saying see, x such that x is a positive multiple of 3. So for this one we have to write complement. So what is the complement of C is C dash Cn. I am writing directly here. Here U is set of all natural numbers. So A is x is even natural number. Now what is the A dash is odd natural number. That means I can write here directly only. It is except A. Always remember, A dash means not A, B dash means not B, not A means A is even natural numbers, not A means not even natural numbers. Next, B means all natural numbers, not B, B dash means not B, not B means not odd natural numbers. In the same way, C. So from the C adjust here. C dash means it is U minus C. It is clear everyone. That is what is the U is here. That is U is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Minus what is the C is positive multiples of 3. Multiple of 3. So which numbers are multiple of 3? That is 3, 6, 9 and so on. So eliminate these all elements from this one. 3 is there, 3 cancel. Next 6 is there, 6 cancel. 9 is there, 9 also cancel. Now what is the remaining is 1, 2, 4, 5 and so on. These elements are multiples of 3 or not multiples of 3? These are not multiples of 3. These are not multiples of 3. So what we can write here? C dash equal to x such that x is a positive not multiple of 3. Just here there is no not. Now I am using here not. That's it. B dash means, C dash means not C. What is the C is here? Multiple of 3. Not C means not multiple of 3. That's it. You can write directly also, but I showed here. Next, fourth one. I am taking this is D. X such that x is a prime number now see D is x is a prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2, 3, 5 like that. These are the prime numbers. Okay. So D dash means complement of D is U minus D. So from the U, that means from the natural numbers, if I delete prime numbers, what are the remaining? Composite numbers, which are not prime numbers. Which are not prime numbers, I will get. And x equal to 1 also. 1 is not prime number, not composite number. Okay. So I am adding here D dash equal to x such that x is a composite number. Composite number means remaining numbers, and x equal to 1 also. And x equal to 1 because 1 is not prime number, not composite number. So it is a D dash. Next, what is the fifth one is? I am taking this D E. equal to x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. That is, what is the complement of this one is e dash. Simple here. If there is no not means include not. If not is there means eliminate or remove not. That's it. Now e dash is x such that x is natural number divisible by 3 and 5. From the u, if you delete which are divisible by 3 and 5, remaining are not divisible by 3 and 5. I am writing that one directly. Therefore, x such that x is a natural number not divisible by 3 or 5. Not divisible by 3 or 5. So that is the fifth one. So these are the problems for today, and tomorrow in the next class I will give more problems based on this concept. Thank you.